SEG version 5.03, we have developed a new feature, give the user the ability to define a shell plate from different pieces and thicknesses with a staggered arrangement. As you can see in this image, we have the flat pattern for the shell, and now we will try to create this by using the new feature. Now let's select the new type of shell, which is shell from random plates. After that, we will add a new child. This child will give you the ability to create those plates and give them the suitable arrangement for your case. Now let's select the first plate. Here let's define this plate. Let's start from 330, okay, and end to 100 degrees. So let's define the location and length for the plate. Okay, so we have the datum line, and now let's define the start and end angle. They should be in the counter on clockwise direction. Now the second plate, let's define the thickness, okay, and the location. Start from 1800, and now let's define the length. The third plate start from 100 degree, okay, up to 150. Now the length of this plate, let's define the length and the thickness. Okay, the fourth plate starts from 15 degrees up to 150. And here the thickness of this plate is 8 millimeters and the length is 800. The location from the datum is 1 meter. Now let's define the next plate. The same thing for each plate, defining the start angle and end angle, and you should take in your consideration that the definition of the angle should be in clockwise direction. Okay, the next angle, let's define the start and end angle, define the length and thickness, define the location. Okay. Here we have the length of the plate. Let's calculate it and define it. After that, the location. Start from 220 and end at 260. Define the length and location. Now the last plate. Let's define start and end angle. 260 and 330, the length and location at 200. Now let's click save and start creating this shell plate. As you can see here, you can create this shell from staggered plates as mentioned on the 2D drawing. Something like that is very difficult if you would like to create it by hand, but with SEG you can generate that easily. Here you can generate your bill of material in seconds, and you will get a detailed bill of material for the shell plates with actual lengths for plates.